Dogs possess a perception of the world that surpasses human senses, including a sixth sense that can detect subtle changes in the environment and in people's behavior. This ability can extend to the perception of emotions, energies, or vibrations that are beyond our human understanding. Dogs can perceive and react to human emotional stress and impending climate changes thanks to their sixth sense. This ability may be the result of a combination of instincts, sensory sensitivities, and a deep connection with the surrounding environment. Here are the 12 interesting things that our furry friends can see, hear, or perceive. Number 1. Subtle energies. Dogs have the ability to perceive and react to subtle energies and vibrations that often escape human perception. These energies can be influenced by various factors, such as people's emotional states or the energy of the surrounding environment. Dogs may react differently or display unusual behaviors in response to these energies, suggesting a unique sensitivity to these aspects of the environment. Number 2. The spiritual world. Animals, particularly dogs, are often considered sensitive to spiritual influences, acting as bridges between the earthly world and the spiritual world. It is believed that dogs can perceive the presence of spiritual entities through their senses and react unusually in the presence of a spiritual manifestation. Their remarkable intuition for understanding human emotions could also extend to the spiritual world. Number 3. Diseases and changes in the human body. Dogs can detect diseases and changes in the human body thanks to their extraordinary olfactory capacity. They are able to identify the smallest traces of chemicals or smells associated with diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and epilepsy. Some trained dogs can even detect changes in the smell of breath or skin that indicate the presence of cancer cells or fluctuations in blood sugar levels. Number 4. Earth's magnetic changes. Dogs have the amazing ability to perceive Earth's magnetic changes, which could be linked to their ability to navigate and orient themselves. Despite the exact mechanisms of this perception not being entirely clear, it is believed that dogs use this ability during exploration activities, which may explain their innate sense of direction. Number 5. Prediction of natural events. The possibility that dogs can predict natural events such as earthquakes or storms is a subject of debate and interest among numerous researchers and animal enthusiasts. Many dog owners claim to have noticed unusual behaviors in their pets prior to significant seismic or weather events, suggesting that dogs may be able to anticipate these events. However, there is still no concrete scientific evidence to definitively confirm our furry friends' ability to predict such natural events. Some experts suggest that dogs might be able to detect small changes in the environment, such as changes in the Earth's magnetic field, atmospheric electricity, or ground vibrations, which could precede events like earthquakes or storms. Others hypothesize that dogs might be able to perceive subtle signals or smells released by seismic or atmospheric activities, although this remains a field of study still under investigation. Number 6. Human emotions. Dogs are capable of perceiving human emotions through visual, auditory, olfactory, and behavioral signals. They notice changes in body language, facial expression, tone of voice, and their owner's body odor. When they perceive that their owner is sad or stressed, they can show comforting behaviors. In addition, dogs can adapt their behavior based on the human emotions they perceive. Number 7. Fear and negative intentions. Dogs have a significant ability to perceive fear and negative intentions in people, thanks to their natural sensitivity and the ability to read subtle signals in human behavior. They can interpret variations in facial expression, body posture, and gestures, and can also be sensitive to changes in a person's energy and emotional aura. This skill can be invaluable to dog owners, as their pets can act as intuitive sentinels and provide a sense of security in their home environments. Number 8. Climate changes. Dogs can show unusual behaviors in response to climate and weather changes, perhaps due to their advanced olfactory sensitivity, the perception of changes in atmospheric pressure, and variations in the Earth's magnetic fields. These changes can affect their mood and behavior, leading to signs of agitation, excitement, or anxiety. Number 9. Imminent death. Dogs can perceive imminent death in various ways: sensitivity to physical changes, empathic connection, and attention to routine and environmental changes. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, there are numerous testimonies of unusual dog behavior before a person's death, suggesting their ability to perceive such events. Number 10. Ultrasonic frequencies. Dogs have the amazing ability to hear ultrasonic frequencies up to about 75,000 hertz, well beyond the human limit of 20,000 hertz. This makes them sensitive to sounds emitted by insects, animal communications, and electronic devices, which can explain some seemingly anomalous behaviors. This sensitivity is used in contexts such as the training of search and rescue dogs and dog alarm devices. Number 11. Ultraviolet light. Dogs' ability to perceive ultraviolet light is an extraordinary aspect of their vision that goes beyond our human visual capacity. While humans only see a part of the light spectrum, including visible light, dogs have the ability to also see ultraviolet light, which is beyond our visual spectrum. Ultraviolet light is a form of electromagnetic radiation with shorter wavelengths than visible light. Even though we are not able to directly perceive ultraviolet light, it is present in the surrounding environment and can influence dogs' visual perception. It is believed that dogs can perceive ultraviolet light thanks to the structure of their eyes, which includes a higher amount of rods in the retina compared to US humans. These extra-sensitive rods could allow dogs to detect ultraviolet light and interpret additional visual information that we cannot see. This ability to perceive ultraviolet light could allow dogs to distinguish objects, substances, or details that would otherwise be invisible. For example, they might be able to see traces of urine or other body fluids that glow under the effect of ultraviolet light, providing them with additional information about the surrounding environment. Number 12. The cosmos. The idea of a deeper connection between dogs and the universe, which goes beyond our human understanding, is an intriguing and speculative concept that has sparked the interest of many animal lovers and scholars of animal spirituality. Although there is no definitive scientific evidence to confirm this cosmic connection, some believe that dogs may perceive cosmic or energetic phenomena that are beyond our human understanding. This could include sensations or intuitions related to astral events, planetary energy flows, or other cosmic influences. Some believe that dogs may be particularly sensitive to the vibrations of the universe or cosmic energies due to their intuitive nature and their strong connection with nature. They are thought to be able to perceive lunar phases, changes in seasons, or other celestial phenomena that may affect their behavior or mood.